Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to organize some information using Google Sites. So in my classroom, I created a Google site to help us to be organized with our information and to have a more visual way of keeping track of our work for our students. Our students were feeling very overwhelmed with where to find things, how to find things, what work to be done. So I created a Google site which has a couple of different courses in it right now. Each week I post a weekly overview, and so I call it a Sunday Snapshot, and that gives students a way to check in with me from the week before, and then also a look ahead to what's coming for the week. And then I also put the pacing guide that I've created into the weekly overview along with the learning plan, which lists all of the learning targets, as well as the product at the end and proficiency scales. And then I also put in pages that link to the actual information. So assignments that students are supposed to be working on, learning tasks as we call them in class. And you can see, again, arranged very visually. We have different pages for different parts of the class, different sets of learning tasks. And then I also have a place to hold our meetings, face-to-face meeting recordings, as well as any online discussions and Padlet postings that we've done as a way of sharing information with one another. It's actually quite easy to create a Google site. You click on the different aspects that you want to input into your site once you've just created the initial site, and you can add pages, you can change themes, and then you can publish. And it really is just that easy. Thanks.